Okay, good morning friends. How are you all? Fine. Welcome back to online classes again. So, just new topic that is areas related to circles. So, we have seen find the areas of rectangle, square, triangle. Okay, like this. Rectangle has length into breadth. Square is side into side. Triangle is half into base into height. Like that only parallelogram. Parallelogram, breadth into height. Trapezium, yes, h by 2 into sum of the parallel sides. Next rhombus, d1, d2 by 2. And one more important is circle. Circle is how much? Pi r square. Okay na? So rectangle, square, triangle, parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus. In all these things, we are least bothered about all the things. We are least bothered about only circles. Okay na? Okay. How the circles areas formed? Yes, we have seen, for example, like this. This is known as center. This is nothing but radius. What is this? Radius. Okay. Now, what is the circumference? Length of the circle. Length of the circle is nothing but 2 pi r. Okay. That will tell as circumference. And next one is area as pi r square. Okay na? Right. Very simple. By this we will understand or we will find out the areas which are related to circles only. How they are related to each one. How they are related to only circles. That means what? You will see many combined figures which are combining with the circles. Okay? Right. We will find out one small problem. The radii of two circles are R1 is 19 centimeters and R2 is 9 centimeters. This is the first exercise. 12.1. Exercise 12.1. First problem. If two radii, one is R1 is 19 and R2 is 9 centimeters, find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of these two. Right. So very simple. Circumference is equals to, first one is 2 pi r1 and second one is 2 pi r2. Now we have to find out 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 equal to 2 pi r. Now very simple. Take common 2 pi r1 plus r2 equal to 2 pi r. So 2 pi cancel. R1 is how much? 19 plus 9, that is R. Therefore 28 centimeters. Therefore, what is the radius of the circle? Whose circumference is sum of these two circumferences is 28 centimeters. Did you understand? Yes? Yes. Very simple problem. Next. Next problem. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeters. R1 is 8 centimeters and R2 is 6 centimeters. Okay na? Now, find the radius of the circles having areas equal. Now areas. area of circle what? Area of circle 1 pi r1 square. Do you know what is pi means? Yes. Pi is the ratio of circumference divided by diameter. Actually, the pi value, whatever we are taking it two part. One is 22/7 or 3.14. But in 9th standard we studied it is a non-terminating and non-recurring. That means what? 3.14 dash should come. But Ramanujam has given the value as 3.14 like this only. Okay na? Right. Now understood? Yes. Now pi r1 square, that is pi 8 square. It is nothing but 64 pi. Next one, area of a circle, that is 2 pi r2 square is equals to pi into 6 square. So 36 pi. Now new circle, pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Okay na? Yes. Therefore new circles radius we have to find out. It is nothing but equal to pi r square. Now pi you take r1 square plus r2 square is equals to pi r square. Pi cancel. R1 square is 64 plus 36 is equals to r square. It is nothing but 100. Therefore r is equals to 10 centimeters. Okay na? Therefore the radius of the new circle whose area is sum of these two areas, whose radius is how much? 10 centimeters. Did you understand? Yes, very simple now. Very good. Next problem. So very simple problem, just you understand. Third problem. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles are there. Yes. First one is gold. Second one is red. Third one is blue. Fourth one is black. And last one is white. We have to find out all the areas differently. That is gold, that is red, blue, black. What are the measurements given? The figures depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring areas from the center onwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region corresponding gold score is, first one is 21 centimeter and each of the diameter is 21 centimeter and other hands is 10.5 centimeter wide. Okay. So first one, what is the diameter of gold? First we will find out area of gold circle. Pi r square. Okay na? Now what is r? R has given diameter as 21, therefore R equal to 21 by 2. First one is 21 by 2, therefore 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2, 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja, 2 1s, 2 11s. Therefore 33, or you can 11 into 63 divided by 2, 11 3 ja 33, 11 6 ja 60, 11 into 3 into 21 by 2, yes, 11 3 ja 33, 11 6 ja 66, 69 divided by 2, it is nothing but equal to 3 ja 4 ja 6 ja 346.5 centimeter square. Okay na? This is the gold. What is the gold area? 346.5 centimeter square. Okay na? Now how to find out second one? How to find out second one? You see, now it is not gold, now it is red. Now first we will find out its radius. Okay na? Now diameter is how much? Already 21 by 2 is there. Sorry, 21 by 21 plus 21 by 2. It is nothing but how much? Yes, 41 plus 21 by 2. Therefore is equals to 62 by 2. So how much it is? 31. Sorry, red circle is, okay, 1 second. Red circle is 10.5 plus 10.5. It will become 21. Now radius you see, pi r square, 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. So how much it is? 13,1386. 1386 centimeter square. So this is the area combined of gold and red. Correct or not? So in this we have to take out that much. That means what? Therefore area of red region is equals to 1386 minus 346.5. So how much it is? Comes around 1039.5 centimeter square. Therefore red is 1039.5 centimeter square. Next one blue, next one black, and next one white. Okay na? Right. Very simple. Again same. Now red circle gone. Now third circle we have to find out. So what is its color? Its color is blue. Okay. Now 21 is there plus 10.5, that is 31.5. 31.5 you can write, otherwise 63 by 2 also you can write. Therefore it is nothing but 22 by 7 into 63 by 2 into 63 by 2, 7 1 ja, 7 9 ja. Now it comes under, yes, what is total? 3112 18.5 centimeter square. But again we have to take out this. Therefore, this area is nothing but what happened? Gold plus red plus black. Okay. Now we have to take out area of red is equals to, yes, area of gold plus red plus blue minus area of gold plus red. That means what? 3118.5, yes, minus 1386. So it is nothing but how much it is? Around 1732.5 centimeter square. Therefore, 1732.5 centimeter square. Did you understand? Yes. So this is what happened. First one is gold. Next one red. When we are finding red means we will get the area of gold and red. In that we have to take out gold, then we will get red. Afterwards, like that only. Okay, na? Right. Now next one. Now which circle? Black circle. In that black circle, what happened? What is the 63 by 2 plus 21 by 2? It is 84 by 2. It will become 42. Now very simple. Now that is equals to 22 by 7 into 42 into 42. 7 1 ja, 7 6 ja. So how much it will come? Around 2420. Sorry, 5544. How much will come? 5544 centimeter square. Again, therefore, area of black reason is equals to area of gold plus red plus blue plus black minus area of gold plus red plus blue, that is equals to 5544 minus how much we got? 3118.5. Therefore, how much it will come? Around 2452.5 centimeter square. 2425, sorry. 2425.5 centimeter square. This is the reason of black. 2425.5 centimeter square. Okay, na? Last one. Yes. What will be the radius? 42 plus 21 by 2. So how much it will be? 84 plus 21 by 2 is nothing but 5. 105 by 2. This is the last one. Okay, no? Now area equal to pi is 22 by 7 into r is 105 by 2. Sorry. Into 105 by 2. 7 1 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 5 ja, 2 ones, 2 11s. Therefore, when you multiply how much it will come? How much it will come? It will come around 8662.5 centimeter square. Therefore, black over, no, black over, it is nothing but which color now? White color. Yes, therefore, area of white region is equals to area of gold plus red plus blue plus black plus white minus area of gold plus R plus blue plus black. Okay na? That is nothing but 8662.5 minus how much you got? 5544. So it will be around 301185. 3011.8.5 centimeter square. Okay. Therefore, white how much? 3011.8.5 centimeter square. So one more time you can see there are 5 circles: gold circle, red circle, blue circle, black circle and white circle. First we found gold. Every circle the width is 10.5 or 21/2 is increasing. That means what? Here also 21.5, here also 21.2. That means what? 10.5 only increasing. Therefore, for every circle we are adding 10.5 and we are making like this. Did you understand? So this problem if comes, it will be for 4 marks problem. Okay na? Right. So this is somewhat lengthy problem. This is not only this, you can do however you want. There are another 2 methods are there. When I will be doing revision, I will show in the second method. Okay na? Right. No problem. Directly you can do it instead of subtracting. Okay. Right. Next problem. 2 wheels of a car of different diameters of a diameter 80 centimeters each. Okay. Diameter. What? First you write what he has given. 80 centimeter. Therefore radius. How much? 40 centimeter. Now we know that circumference, when it is rotating means it is nothing but we have to find out circumference only, right? Circumference is equals to 2 into pi into r. 2 into pi is 22/7 into r is 40. Okay na? So it is nothing but 44 into 40 divided by 7 and it is approximately equal, yes, this much. Now speed of the car. Speed of the car. What is the speed of the car? 66 kilometers per hour. 66 means 66,000 meters and again 66 by minutes. Therefore it is nothing but 1000 into 100. 1000 meters and 100 meters for 60. Therefore it will become, yes, how much? Yes, 1010. It will become 11 kilometers. This is per 1 meter. That means you can write speed for 1 hour. Yes, sorry, speed for 10 minutes. It is. Therefore, now you can write number of revolutions. is equals to speed for, you can write down, what you can write down, total distance in 10 minutes divided by circumference of the wheel. So it is nothing but 11,000 again centimeters divided by, yes, 44 into 40 into 7. So approximately how much it will come? 4375 revolutions. Okay na? So what he has given, one wheel is there. That wheel's diameter is 80 centimeters, radius will be 40 centimeters. Now circumference is 2 pi r, this much we got. Speed of the car is per hour is 66 kilometers. I want only in 10 minutes, therefore 1 hour means 60 minutes, so I divided with 60. So I got 11 kilometers. 11 kilometers I converted to meters and centimeter. Therefore, number of revolutions, total distance in 10 minutes divided by circumference of the wheel is nothing but this divided by this. So you will get 4,375 revolutions. Okay na? Right. Next. See calculations properly. If you know the tables, you can do it very fast. Okay na? Right. Next problem. Very simple problem. Pick the correct answer in the following and justify your answer. If the circumference and area of a circle are numerically equal, the radius of the circle is. Very simple. Now let the radius be r centimeters. Now we have given, yes, circumference of a circle is equals to area of circle. Circumference means what? 2 pi r. What is the area? Pi r square. Right? Therefore, pi cancel. 1r cancel. Therefore, r is equals to 2. So, what is asking? If, yes, 2 units, this is the answer, not 2 centimeter, 2 units. Answer B, answer A is the correct answer. Okay na? Option A is the correct answer. Did you understand? He has given, if the circumference of the circle equal to area of the circle, then find the value of the radius. Then it is nothing but approximately equal to 2 units. Okay. Now we found some of the direct problems on circles only. Now circles will be including with some other, yes, some other figures, as well as in the circle we have found only the total area. But now we have to find out 2 important areas in the circle. So for that, let me start. For example, this is the fixed point. Should know this, fixed point. Fixed point means it is nothing but center. Second one, OA, it is nothing but radius. Yes, BOA, it is nothing but BA, diameter. CD, chord. Okay na? Now CD, if I look like this, it is nothing but arc. If I put this mark means it will come like this. Arc. And what is this? This is known as segment. And if I am doing like this, these are the one radius and second radius. Two radii including the, yes, including the arc. This is known as sector. Okay na? Now we should find out the area as well as length of the segment as well as sector. How to find out? We'll find out. Okay na? Now see, area of a circle. How much it is? Pi r square. Area of circle length pi r square means what will be the angle at the center? That is 360. You can find out. When area is pi r square, the angle will be how much? 360 degrees. Or when angle is 360 degrees, the area is pi r square. If the angle is theta, then what? It is nothing but pi r square by 360. Therefore, what is the area of circle? Area of sector actually it is. So, area of sector. Area of sector means what? Here it is total angle is 360. Therefore, this will come as theta. Theta means any angle. It is nothing but 360 minus that. 360 minus that. Okay na? Now, so this is one. Second point, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. You can write it. When the angle is 360, then the circumference is 2 pi r. Okay na? When it is theta, then what about its length? 2 pi r divided by 360 or pi r by 180. These two formulae you should remember. Okay na? Yes. One more concept, very important concept is, I show one by one. This is the circle. So this is nothing but OAB. OAB, it is nothing but sector. So area of sector, what we found out? Pi r square by 360 degrees. For example, you join like this. You want this area. Very simple. So area of minor segment is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay na? So this shaded region minor segment equal to, this is nothing but triangle, area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay na? So we will get this shaded portion region, right? Next. So like this we should find out, then you will understand very well. Okay na? Yes. Now remember these things. With this we'll start the exercise. Very simple exercises. Now exercise 12.2. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeters. Radius is 6 centimeters and theta equal to 60 degrees. Now very simple. We have find area of the sector. is equals to pi r square theta by 360. It is nothing but 22 by 7 into r is 6 into 6 into 60 divided by 360. 6 1 ja like this, 6 10 0 0 cancel. Okay na? So it is nothing but around 132 by 7 centimeter square. Okay na? Like this you can find out. Second question. Second question, very simple question. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. Circumference is equals to 22. We know that what is circumference? It is nothing but 2 pi r. 22, 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja, 20 r is equals to 11 into 7 divided by 22. 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja. Therefore, r equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Okay na? Now, see quadrant. Quadrant means how to find out. Very very simple. Like this quadrant. Okay na? 90. What is the angle? 90. Quadrant means 4 parts. 4 parts means 360 degrees already is there. Divided by 4. It is nothing but how many degrees? 90 degrees. Okay na? Then you can find out what you have to find out. Area. Yes, area we can find out. So area is equals to pi r square theta by 360. 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into theta is 90 divided by 360. 0 0 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja. 7 7 cancel, 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. It will be around 77 by 8. 77 by 8 centimeter square. Okay. So with this we will stop here. In the next class we will solve some more problems. Okay. Take care. Have a nice day. God bless you.